Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Mortal Kombat XL game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mortal Kombat XL game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can go into the options page if you wish to change your settings. Now from this page, just go into controls, and you can now choose to have up to 4 different customized control preset. To make any changes, just go into the individual buttons or controls, and in order to change any button, press enter after selecting it. You can now press the new button that you wish to assign for this control. After pressing the button, it will be applied right away. You can do this with all of the controls for both player 1 and player 2, and you may set up to 4 different control patterns. You may also enable or disable alternate controls based on your desire. And once you have made your change, go into the Save Preset option, and now this will save your changes. You can come back to this menu in order to make changes to your controls at any point of time. And once you have made your changes, you can start enjoying your gameplay right away with your new customized controls. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Mortal Kombat XL game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.